Welcome back to the channel, guys. In today's video we're going to be working on these lady shoes, stilettos, the whatchamacallit, I don't really know the name. We're going to start off by putting this one on the side, and we're going to start working on these soles and removing this old glue. Let's go. Almost done prepping these soles for regluing. We're gonna just wipe down our work area with our hands, and we're just gonna grab the sole and put it to the side and start working on the actual shoe. As you can see, there's a bunch of glue on this shoe, and I'm gonna tell you why. See, what had happened was I told the owner of the shoe to get shoe glue, which is the best glue you can get anywhere, and just fix your shoe. It works. It's not as good as barge cement, but it works. Instead of buying shoe glue, she decided to buy Uhu and blame it on me. You know, co-workers, they know what I do, and yeah, they want to do it themselves, but it's not gonna always work out. Let's just continue getting this glue off these shoes so we can re-glue these soles. Let's go. After we're done scraping up the bottom of the shoe, we decided to use our trusty dremel tool to get rid of the rest of the glue and of course smooth out the area so we can get better adhesion when we go back and glue the sole back on the shoe. Now it's time for the gluing process to begin. We're going to be using our barge all-purpose cement. Here you can see we're applying an even coat of glue on the sole. We're going to be doing the same thing on the bottom of the shoe, and after that we're going to be letting it sit for about 7 minutes so we can heat it up and clamp them together. All set, guys. Now it's time to wait about 7 minutes so we can clamp them together. Let's go. Now it's down to the final step, guys. We're gonna use our trusty heat gun to heat up the glue so we can reactivate it and get better adhesion. If you're wondering how much heat you have to use, you will just wait till you see the glue kind of bubble up. Then you know you're ready. Not gonna lie, guys, I had a lot of fun making this video. It's my first time doing it, like I said before. One last tip, I would recommend letting this dry for at least a couple of days, because if you come back in a day, you will notice that it's not set yet. So give it a couple of days. Y'all probably gonna laugh me using this little ass hammer, but I saw it in another video and it said it helped, so I decided to do it in the video, bro. That's it. We all set, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to drop me a like, subscribe to the channel. Hey, and don't be a dummy like me. When you put down the heat gun, it burned the hell out of my arm right here.